To change a voicemail greeting on an iPhone, we'll first go to the Phone app. And once we're in the Phone app, the exact steps actually depend on which layout you're using for the Phone app. If you're using the unified layout, you'll first go to the Calls tab on the bottom left corner. If you don't see a tab for calls, don't worry, I've got you all covered next. From the Calls tab, we'll choose Edit on the top left corner, and you'll see an option for editing your voicemail greeting. Tap that, and you'll see a pop-up window open where you can record a custom greeting. Just tap Record, and then record your greeting. Hit Stop when you're done, and you can then use the play button to check your recording, and tap the blue checkmark if you're happy and ready to save it. The little filter button on the top right corner allows you to change between the unified and classic layout, so let's look at the classic layout next. If you're using that, you'll actually see a voicemail tab on the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll go to the voicemail tab, and then from the top right corner, choose Greeting. You'll get the same greeting pop-up window I showed earlier, and here you can record, play back, and save your new voicemail greeting. One last trick. In case the traditional methods for some reason aren't working for you, you can always pull up the keypad and press and hold number 1. This will dial your carrier's voicemail system directly, and you can then follow the voice prompts to perform actions like check your inbox and change your greeting. Every carrier is slightly different, so just listen to the menu and follow the instructions. And that's basically it. Click that like button down there if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.